Hey, Terry Linde here, and today I've got 5 powerhouse fitness tips to transform your health. Let's dive in. 1. Consistency over intensity. It's not about hitting the gym hard once a week. Aim for 3 to 4 sessions of moderate exercise. Consistency is key. 2. Strength training is a must. Building muscle boosts metabolism and keeps you strong. Incorporate strength exercises into your routine at least twice a week. 3. Mix it up. Variety prevents boredom and keeps your body guessing. Combine cardio, strength, and flexibility work for a balanced routine. 4. Hydrate like a pro. Water is crucial for performance and recovery. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses a day and more if you're sweating it out. And 5. Rest and recover. Don't skip rest days. Your muscles need time to repair and grow. Aim for 1 to 2 rest days per week. You want to take your fitness to the next level? Hit me up with a DM to get my free resource on how to build your perfect workout plan. Let's crush those goals together.